In this footage, UAV operators from Russia's Vostok Group, 35th Army, are seen intercepting enemy forces conducting a counterattack with infantry and equipment near Huliapole. The drones provide real-time reconnaissance, allowing operators to track movements and engage key targets. Hello, friend. Today, new footage, Huliapole area. A military group from the Ukrainian 425th Separate Assault Regiment, consisting of 2 platoons of armored vehicles and a truck, launched a counterattack south of Huliapole. Units from the 38th Guards Motorized Rifle Brigade of the 35th Army, East Group, engaged the enemy. The attack resulted in the destruction of 1 armored vehicle, 1 pickup truck, and the neutralization of 14 soldiers. From the Western Operational Group, short-format footage continues to arrive, capturing the combat operations of Russian drone operators. Units from the 1st Tank Army, the 6th Tank Army, and the Hyperion FPV detachment showcase their precision and coordination on the battlefield. The imagery highlights the versatility of these operators. FPV drones maneuvering through contested terrain, striking enemy positions with accuracy, and disrupting Ukrainian movements. Each clip demonstrates the seamless integration of technology and battlefield experience, where operators adapt quickly to changing conditions and deliver decisive blows. The enemy attempted to create protective corridors for their equipment, but the 70th Division of the 18th Combined Arms Army still controls areas where the Phobos drone can operate freely. The fiber-optic drone did not try to push through the defensive netting. Instead, it reacted instantly to a brief opening and struck a Ukrainian armored vehicle with a precise, direct impact. In this footage from the Kupiansk area, Russia's 6th Army successfully struck a Ukrainian Humvee. In this footage, UAVs operated by Russia's 6th Army conduct a forest ambush near the settlement of Petrovka. A Ukrainian vehicle transporting personnel is struck and destroyed, demonstrating the use of drones to detect, track, and engage enemy units moving through covered terrain. Russian drones are maintaining constant pressure on Ukrainian forces near Kupiansk, preventing any attempt to break out of the operational encirclement. FPV and reconnaissance drones patrol the area, tracking troop movements and targeting vehicles and personnel attempting to escape. These operations are coordinated with artillery and frontline units, ensuring that Ukrainian groups remain contained and vulnerable. The combination of aerial surveillance, precision strikes, and rapid targeting has significantly restricted enemy mobility, forcing them to remain in exposed positions. Footage from the scene shows scattered Ukrainian units unable to regroup, highlighting the effectiveness of persistent drone operations in controlling key sectors of the battlefield. The encirclement strategy demonstrates how modern unmanned systems can shape engagements and maintain tactical dominance over enemy forces. In this footage from the Krasny-Lyman axis, UAV units of Russia's 25th Army, West Group, continue targeting Ukrainian logistics and engineering operations. The video shows drones tracking and engaging engineering equipment used by Ukrainian forces near the settlement of Shirovo. Additional strikes are recorded on a truck carrying materials for a river crossing near Zakotnoy, disrupting supply and construction efforts. In this footage, drones from Russia's North Grouping engage and destroy Ukrainian transport vehicles. In this footage, a Russian 6th Army fiber-optic FPV drone operator engages a Ukrainian HMMWV in the area of Blahodatovka. The drone is guided with precision to the target, demonstrating the continued use of advanced FPV systems to strike enemy vehicles and disrupt mobility on the battlefield. In this footage, a Russian fiber-optic FPV drone conducts a precision strike on a Ukrainian Bukovel electronic warfare station located south of Kupiansk. The drone is guided with stable signal control toward the fixed installation, targeting a key electronic warfare asset. In this footage, Russian forces deployed fiber-optic FPV drones to engage 2 Ukrainian tanks. The drones provided precise targeting and real-time guidance, allowing operators to strike armored vehicles effectively. The engagement demonstrates the growing role of fiber-optic FPV systems in countering heavy equipment and disrupting frontline armor movements. In today's footage, a Russian attack FPV drone approached a Ukrainian pickup truck during a reconnaissance mission at high speed. 2 soldiers were in the back, and as the drone closed in, one managed to jump out at the last second, narrowly avoiding the incoming threat. The clip demonstrates the increasing use of FPV drones for rapid assault and battlefield reconnaissance. A mercenary heard the Russian FPV drone and decided to remain motionless on the ground. Instead of attempting to engage the drone, he stayed still, demonstrating an ineffective tactical response. In this footage, FPV drones destroyed 4 Ukrainian pickup trucks in rapid succession. Following the strikes, additional attack drones scanned the area to locate the crews and capture personnel. The operation demonstrates the growing skill and coordination of Russian UAV operators, highlighting the increasing effectiveness of drone warfare in targeting vehicles and personnel on the battlefield. In this footage, Russian fiber-optic FPV drones from the 27th Brigade conducted precision strikes on multiple Ukrainian vehicles and military equipment around Kupiansk. The drones were guided with stable control to engage moving and stationary targets. Operators of the 38th Guards Separate Motorized Rifle Brigade of the 35th Army, working in coordination with the Barzate Detachment of the East Grouping, are shown methodically targeting Kiev forces across multiple layers of the front line. The footage captures a steady rhythm of reconnaissance, identification, and precision strikes. Personnel caught in movement, vehicles attempting to reposition, artillery pieces firing from concealed positions, and even tanks maneuvering between tree lines. Each target is tracked with calm, deliberate focus before a strike lands with clinical accuracy. Russian reporting frames this cooperation between regular army units and volunteer detachments as a force multiplier. The 38th Brigade provides the reconnaissance depth and fire control expertise, while Barzate teams deliver rapid, flexible strike capability. Together, they create a seamless cycle of detection and destruction, gradually stripping the enemy of mobility, firepower, and the ability to reinforce exposed sectors. The narration emphasizes that this is not a single episode but part of a sustained campaign, a slow tightening of pressure that reshapes the tactical landscape one strike at a time.